Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you all had a great Memorial weekend and you were able to spend time with your friends and your family and your loved ones. We were very busy, which is why there wasn't a grocery haul last week. But I'm back and I've got one for you today. We hit 3 stores, guys, so if you want to see what we got, then stick around. Okay, friends, so we are going to start with what I got from Walmart. So went to Walmart to get Luna's cat litter and her treats because she loves her treats and she gets them once or twice a day if she's a good girl. So that's literally all we got from Walmart for this grocery haul was the Tidy Cats. We've actually never used this Tidy Cats before, so I hope it works out really well because it's definitely more convenient. And this jug here, a little easier to carry. Yes. All right, that's it for non-food from Walmart. That's it for Walmart, period. Here is the stuff we got from Ingles. Picked up the husband's Gatorade. Picked up his tea. Yes, I know we went back to the Gatorade. But the reason being is because, like, Ingles, Food Lion, none of them had the Snapple apple, y'all. So we had to do the Gatorade. So, and then of course his tea. Picked up some, little snack foods. So got this, it's the TGI Fridays, mozzarella sticks with the marinara. Picked up some of the Farm Rich mushrooms. And then, of course, the turkey summer sausage. That is $7.50. But again, it is really good and we love it. It's an addiction. But that is all that I got from Ingles. Now we are moving on to Food Line, which is where I got the majority of our stuff. And starting with the produce, I picked up a cantaloupe because they were on sale. And so got one of those. That's going to be our fruit for this week because I still have some apples and some grapes left from the last time we went to the grocery store, which we did go to the grocery store last week, but didn't do a haul because there was so much going on. I just did not have time. Got a bell pepper and an onion for a recipe that I'm doing this week. That's it for produce. Picked up these Ritz crackers. We really like these whole wheat ones. And again, trying to be just a little bit healthier. Picked up some sugar. This time we got the Florida Crystals. It's the organic raw cane sugar because Food Lion did not have the sugar we normally buy. But that's fine. It is what it is. Picked up the husband's wafers, got 2 boxes of that because it was on sale. Picked up some real bacon pieces just to go with some recipes. I'm actually going to make a breakfast muffin for the husband, like an egg muffin, and I'm throwing some bacon in there. And picked up another bottle of the apple cider vinegar because our other one, we were out of that, so got some of that. And that's also for a recipe this week. Picked up some more juice. Shay wanted the white cran peach and the cran grape. It's ocean spray. They were on sale. The Welch's was not. So that's why we got those. Picked up some more of the Dave's Killer Bread. This time we are trying the 100% whole wheat because they did not have the white done right. So hopefully the whole wheat is good. And we are also trying their hamburger buns because I'm doing Lentil Sloppy Joes this week. So that's what the buns are for. Picked up another dozen eggs for breakfast and everything. And I may do some bacon this week. I haven't decided yet. Anyway, so picked up some eggs. Got some cheese because, y'all, we are totally out of cheese. It's crazy. We have like a tiny bit of shredded cheese left. So picked up some reduced fat Swiss, some reduced fat mild cheddar. The med diet that we are on, you're supposed to limit your dairy and, or just like cut it down to like low fat or fat free. I can't do fat free because there's no taste. So we are doing the reduced fat. And of course, we always do the 2% milk. We've always done that even before the med diet. So picked up some shredded cheese. And yeah, this is going to be the regular amount of fat in it. But saw the shredded pepper jack, was like, yes. So going to be using that for recipes. Picked up some more almond milk because we are almost out. So got that, and this one's Nature's Promise. It's the Food Lions organic brand. Picked up some California Pizza Kitchen. We got the barbecue chicken and the white crispy thin crust pizza. So the white pizza, these are really good. This is our frozen pizza of choice. So that's all the grocery items. And then as far as non-food, had to get some Pepto-Bismol because I was having some stomach issues earlier this week and didn't have any, but thankfully they passed, but needed to have some on hand. And we got some paper towel. The Sparkle was on sale. So guys, that is everything. I don't remember what the total amount was, but I will certainly post that somewhere in here. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me give you one brief overview of all the groceries. As you can see, it's June 5th. It's Saturday. You know, Saturdays are grocery shopping days, guys. All right, so that is it. Well, that does it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and let us know that you're really enjoying the content that we put out. Be sure to subscribe and become a member of the Bradley Bunch. We would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know every time I post a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, and before I forget, make sure you follow us on social media. We are at Trippin' Bradleys on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. We'll see you. I can't even talk, y'all. Y'all see this? It's been a long day. But anyway, we'll see you in our next video. I hope you have a blessed week. Bye.